Jack, and over here is my monster, and I was just gonna open him up. And that's the monster. And these are my wrestling guys in the wrestling. One fell out and one fell out. And they crashed into a very nice bat. Okay, let's go to the toy room. I meant bedroom. This is Joey Puff, and and these look at all these stuffed animals. And don't you think this guy's weird? And he takes that. Here's Sharky trying to chomp, chomp, chomp your whole phone off. And this is what I call jump off the railing. Okay, back to the toy. This is my Power Ranger bear. Hey, yeah. He likes to play the drums. And here are my drums. And this is how I play. I think this will take a while to play. And time to jump in the laundry basket. Crash. And right here is my goggles and my Spider-Man. And over here are thousands of stuffed animals. A rainbow snake. His name's Rainbow Snake. Elmo, the Sky Froggy, and Mickey Mouse. And a warrior in his underwear. And a dinosaur. And I told you about Julie, this hammer head guy. Yeah, all those things. He's nice and Dowski, and this guy could do something. This guy does. They both talk, this guy and this guy. And here's my Marine Pink Bunny. And here's Marshall. Here's a big bear. Here's a horse. And here's Marshall. And over here are the hatch and my watch, my car, Mr. Yuck, hand sanitizer, and combo. And here is, I have a rare Ryan toy, and red combo. It's a rare, which I already said. They're both combos. Combo. Daddy, rare combo? Or do you want squishy combo that could do this? I pooped my pants. And flame jar? Okay. Fire! And that's magic. And watch this. And this is the magic Bulbasaur. That's cool, isn't it? And Bulbasaur reappear. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is Beaks. And make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button. And always be awesome. Okay, we're in another room now. And down here are some of my stuffed animals. I would like to show you them. And the first stuffed animal that I will show you is at the bottom of here, so I will have to get it. Oh, whoa! I almost fell. Here it is. And this is Furball. And he is my favorite stuffed animal, and he's the furriest. And this is my pet monkey. We're in another room now. Did I already tell you that? And he has a banana, and he's eating it. Yeah. And this is my alligator. And this is Sock Monkey. So subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure that you watch all our videos. And over here is Froggy and Parade Bear and real life dead bugs, a zebra, and a zebra. I have a bunch of other things, and down here is Pikachu. Since you know all my animals, you could get rolling out of here and see my next videos. And then on tomorrow. Hi, I'm Epic Jack. Today we're doing a Hot Wheel race with cars, and whichever one wins doesn't fall off this track. The loser falls off. Okay, let's go. Well, I guess this one's the loser, everybody. So, that would be a big bummer. I really wanted this to win. We're doing that in the loser pile. This one's going in the winner pile. Oh. Okay. Okay. Time for the second cars. Sorry. It takes slow because this got hard to get out. And this one got hard to get out. Okay. Are you ready? Let's go! was a weird. So that was a tough race. By the way, we got this idea from a YouTube video on YouTube on a show. Okay. Here's a Spider-Man car, and here's a truck that fits with a spider. Woohoo! I know which one. I solved it. This one fell off right here. This one went straight down there. One. Losers pile. Winners pile. Okay. Scooby-Doo against a fast car. Ooh! Scooby-Doo went near the side. This one fell off first. Loser! And winner. By the way, did you see that this is lean over people? Yeah. Let's go! The next video is going to be about my Uncle Phil making Hot Wheels track, and we're going to race it. It'll be awesome. Let's get back to the race. This one is going to be a winner. I know which one's winning. This guy. Are you ready? Let's go! I know. That one fell off right here. That one went either side. Loser! Oh, I really wanted this one. That's my favorite monster truck. Oh well. Went. Put these winners back on track. Doesn't this one look fast, and this one's gonna be losers? This time it's starting them all the way up. Ooh, that one went red. This one is a loser. This one is the winner of that round. That one stopped down. That one went down on the steps and went all the way down. Here's the one I was waiting for. I thought this was it. I think that was a tie. But I think I saw it go off the track right here. It had to fall off the track. It couldn't go that far. I think it's a tie race. Both winners. I wonder if one loses and one won. I wonder who won. Probably both of them, but probably not. I really wish I knew who won. All the way up here. Both losers. They fell off the track at the same time. And they're together right here. Fell off the track probably right here. They both are losers. Oh, no! Besides the winners! Kyle, what am I thinking? This is supposed to go into losers. starting all the way up here. Actually, I'm starting here. Sorry. To bend down. Woo! Both losers again. Jeez. Thanks for watching. Make sure you see another video of Hot Wheels. And hit that like button down below. Make sure.